Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's part 13, we will talk about alert dialog in Android with example. Alert dialog is a small window that prompts user to take a decision or enter additional information. Specifically, in Android, alert dialog can be used to display the dialog message with OK and cancel button. It can be used to interrupt and ask the user about his or her choice to continue or discontinue. Alert dialog is composed of three regions basically. The first region is title, second one is the content area, and third one is the action button. So we will explore these alert dialogs with the help of example. So open your Android Studio, go to file, from file, new project, empty activity, select next, my application alert, you can give your own name, language Java, API layer 15, and finish. So we have to keep it in mind three things: title of the alert, then content area and action part. So we will create the object of builder, alert dialog dot builder, and using that object we can access the alert dialog. So directly our project has been loaded. So in the Java file we will create the alert dialog, final alert dialog, so it is taking some time to build. It is loaded now. So final alert dialog dot builder, the object for this, create any object, alert dialog builder, and the name of activity, main activity dot this is what the context. So now using the builder object you can set the title, builder dot set title, welcome alert dialog, you can set any of the title of your choice. Then what your message, using set message, and the parameter is string, whatever message you want to give. So as I told you, very first is the title, then content, and then action button. So first is the title, now we are setting the message. This is message section, thanks for creating me. You can give any of the message you want to give. Now we have to set the positive button. So builder dot set positive button, then the name of button, and new dialog interface, dot on click listener. Okay, so what to be happen when we click on OK button? So dialog interface dot dismiss, we will dismiss it using this object. Sorry, dialog interface dot dismiss. So using this we are dismissing this. Okay, so here we need semicolon, and then at the last alert dialog, for example dialog builder dot create. And then at the last we have to show the dialog object, dialog dot show. So this is what the things we have to keep it in mind. Okay, very first file an alert dialog builder of the object for this context. Okay, main activity for this activity. Then builder dot set title, we have to keep it in mind three things. Okay, title, message, and the last one is the action part, OK button. Okay, the set title, welcome alert dialog, then set message, this is the message. Okay, and then set positive button. Okay, dialog interface dot on click listener, it will create the overridden method on click with the dialog interface object. So using this dialog interface object we have to dismiss it when we click on OK. And at the last alert dialog object, and we are creating with the help of builder object. Okay, create, and then dialog dot show. Now you can see the output with the Gyrobin emulator. It's running. Okay, so welcome alert dialog, this is the message we have set. Welcome alert dialog, this is message we have set. This is message section, thank you for creating me. This is the message section, thank you for creating me, and we have created the OK button. Okay, and we have added the on click listener to this dialog. Okay, as soon as we click on OK, our dialog is going to be dismissed. Okay, this is what the dialog, alert dialog. You can change this. Okay, welcome to alert dialog Android. Okay, listen, if you add something, then corresponding changes will be occurred. Okay, so you can see the reflections. Okay, so the corresponding reflections will be met. Title, body, this is called title of the alert dialog, this is called body. Okay, and this is the action part. Okay, click me, it will vanish. So this is what about alert dialog in Android. Very simple, you can practice it and have a fun. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, then you can subscribe and like, okay, my channel. Thank you so much.